Yokia geidisha kwa mirori wakio TV aidha mugwaja igakurikirana ndagika igiri mihoko wakwa wemeraho yakwidite na mbere na gukwagirira ndagiuka nigitagwo iri mwa wanjiro mutwathiriri na njira ya shiko etagwo Vivian Wagishi tariki ninya naguo mweri ni wa mugetho njitikiria na gitio kinene turike muhoro-ini maitu kuria amakiria ma huraniri turwa ngurani ngiri 12 akiama-ini kia UDA ni magite na gikaro na President William Ruto kuria thingira-ini wa iregi na hindi ya mucemanio uyu wa maundu maria maririirio ni mitaratara na mibango ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
3.5 years ago, we, the UDA party, nominated you as our presidential candidate. We elected you together with many Kenyans who are not here, the president. Time moves pretty fast because we are fast approaching the next election. I want to assure you that the confidence and faith we had in you then is still there and stronger. We have seen you make political decisions, tough economic decisions, tough policy decisions that have made Kenya stable today, and it was not stable then.
Rais, wewe ni amiri mkuu wa majeshi ya Kenya, lakini leo wewe pia ni amiri mkuu wa jeshi hili la UDA. Hili ndio jeshi, haiko wale wengine wana maneno. Basi tuwaambia wakome na maneno yao, wapende wasipende, President Ruto atachukua ushindi asubuhi na mapema. Hata sisi tunataka hiyo 2027 ifike hata kesho. Si tuko tayari ama tuna wasiwasi?
Naibu wa rais, huyu naibu wa rais Abraham Kithure Kindiki anatosha ama atoshi? Anatosha ama atoshi? Ni fire si fire? Ni fire si fire? Wapi nduru ya Profesa Kithure Kindiki? Profesa Kindiki, ni fire si fire bwana? Sasa mnajua kazi yangu imekuwa rahisi, kwa sababu leo niko na msaidizi ambaye anaelewa mambo ya serikali, anaelewa barabara, anaelewa stima, anaelewa universal health coverage, anaelewa elimu, anaelewa mpaka hata maneno ya savings, anaelewa mambo ya serikali. Kindiki ni fire si fire?
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi niateteire mubango wa CBC akiuga andu aingi matiawendete nginya ciari maugaga ukorwo kieherio na riu thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni hotete kunyorotha mathomo macio hamwe na TVET kuria augite arutwo aingi morire mwena uyu. Kindiki akiugite ati mathomo ma TVET ni magutigirira ati ni makorwo makigacira niguo andu aingi makorwo makiyaka kimuturire na makorwo makiona mawira nginya nja wa bururi.
President Ruto's administration, the UDA administration, the Kenya Kwanza administration has also ensured that going forward we reduce the number of university students who cannot afford to pay fees. We have introduced a new student-centered funding model that looks at the needs of the individual student as opposed to sending money to universities. And today, I can assure you that many universities that were facing insolvency come out of insolvency because of the new university funding model. We have increased the money that we give HELB, Higher Education Loans Board. In 2022, it was 17 billion. Last year, 41 billion. We have increased the money we give our universities. 2022, it was 45 billion. Today, last year, it was 82 billion. And therefore, I hear those who are criticizing this administration in matters education, to look at Kenyans in the eye and tell us what facts, what logic are they using in their assessment. Munajua wakati wa campaign, everywhere we went, wananchi walikuwa wanasema abolish CBC. Ni kweli si kweli? Kwa sababu CBC ilikuwa na mzigo, curriculum ilikuwa na mzigo mkubwa kwa wazazi. Mtoto anakuja nyumbani, anaambiwa tengeneza gari overnight. Sijui nini, shona kitenge, upeleke shule asubuhi. Wazazi walikuwa wanasema toa hiyo CBC. Leo mmesikia hiyo kelele ya curriculum ya CBC? Si imeisha? Mwenye kunyorosha ni nani? Mwenye kunyorosha ni nani? Rais Ruto ni fire si fire? Aendelea si endelee?
Na mufango wa nyota uranyagio kaunti ciothe kuria gukinyiria riu ayuthi ngiri magana manana ma mirongo iri nio maguthikite rungu rwa mufango na kuringana na munini wa president akiugite matanyite ayuthi milioni 2 nio magukorwo makigunika niguo mahote kwambiriria biashara itiganite kana gwika undu uria ungituma magacire ningi makorwo magithinga mwanya wa wagi wa mawira.
From 2022, deliberately, President Ruto decided that this project will continue on condition that, number one, it is aligned to the priorities of our nation, captured in the bottom-up economic agenda. That bottom-up economic transformation agenda, one of its pillars is strengthening micro and small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and also among the other interventions, increase national savings, where our people save enough money, which money can be deployed for national development, because national savings like pensions money is not immediately deployed, and therefore it should be put into an investment that can give returns. And as I have said before, a country is better borrowing money from its own citizens than borrowing money from foreign nations, sometimes at the risk of sovereign embarrassment. We are going to have more young people on board the business support program. We are also going to have more young people on board the on-the-job experience and the recognition of prior learning. And the government is looking at possibilities of injecting more resources into this program, as may be communicated in due course, to make sure that we expand it, we reach more beneficiaries, we impact on as many young people as possible. Currently, the total outreach is 820,000 young people. We are likely to double this amount to 1.6 million, even 2 million people in the long term.
Na tugithina mbere ni ati minister wa gender ni orite anyitite ni kunyitanira na guthondeka ceceni ya guteithiriria kurera ciana ni odikia kuria atumia aria maratumikira cio ciao njera akiaria ari njera ya Eldoret Cheptum akiwite njera yo kuri na ciana 29 na gutire na handu haiganu ha gucirerera.
That the children who are here are 29 in number, and the facilities for daycare are only 4. So meaning at any one time only 4 children can be comfortable, but the rest, the 25, do not have a place to stay or to play or to sleep. And therefore, I want to applaud the European Union for the good plan that they have in place, even as they plan to do that. As a government, we will also support them, because the State Department for Children's Services is a new State Department with this mandate of following up on the welfare of the children. And so, with the construction of this new facility of daycare, the mothers will be able to learn, because here in prison they do a lot of learning, as we saw today. They do the weaving of baskets, they do the knitting, they do the learning. We saw the paralegals, the works that they are doing, and they are mothers. But if there is a good daycare, then the children can be there with their trainers, and then the mothers can continue with their other work.
We are launching the daycare center for children, and we very much hope that it can be completed within a few months, so the children who are here with their mothers can enjoy a daycare facility whilst their mothers are undergoing training to reintegrate them once they are released from prison. This is part of the European Union's commitment through our PLEAD program to reform the entire justice sector through digitalization, solarization, and the improvement of the terms in prison, including decongesting.
Na hau twakinya tuko tugikiria oro hanini nduwetikire guteretwa mitabo nitugukorwo tugicokereria.
Eni nikigosho kemurutio
ole gote inaga kehinde amadamaki
nyitanagira na nie MC John wa Githomo and the band
ole gote inaga haleluya kehinde amadamaki oya nyada
lirikana ni omuthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku.
Beo ya gaide umaga beo ya gaide umaga beo ya gaide sidane beo ya gaide toragia no gai.
Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kĩheo TV na kwa kĩũmbe John wa Githomo Official.
Ole gote inaga kehinde amadamaki oya onyeda mono.
Tomugate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko. Wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene baraini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa TSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex Gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana tuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Are you ready? Because it's games time. Ni hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi na arĩa marĩ iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki jua akiri ndumo ya iharo-ini. Tabarĩra njerũ cua ĩrĩa ũrĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagĩra thĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 nginyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ndumo ya iharo-ini gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh. Mali yote fresh. Hapana deal na mtumba. Kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitumali safi. Njoo nami twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Wathi wakura wongagĩrĩrwo ngĩ. Tabarĩra ya kũinĩkĩrĩria o ĩrĩa gũkinyagira mũthenya wa Jumamothi rĩu nĩ ũkĩte na riri mwerũ. Tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno ya kũinĩkĩrĩria tũrĩkũrehagĩra bandi all the way mbĩrĩria thaa 3 cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa 6 ũtukũ gatagatĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi, ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩnjũ nĩ ũratwamũkĩra we wĩ hau mũciĩ. Ngai witũ arokũrathima. We mũroreri wa Kĩheo TV. Angĩkorwo nĩ bata ya toro.
Mũtabania ti ũngĩ nĩ MC Kĩhehenji wa Gĩtawa.
Rĩrĩa tore magũ, marĩa tore metro. Ũgũka ũgĩtũteithia. Nĩ tũhotaga kũmeka. Tũhatithĩtio nĩ rĩĩtwa rĩa Jesũ.
Ino nĩ station ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Twacokereria thiini wa ikereka ritu ria mwiso na ruhonge rwa NEMA iruikite ritana kuri aikari a Kaptalam guku ni kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet gukorwo makigitira ihumo cia mai ithenya-ini ria gutigirira kuri na mai matheru ma kunywa na ningi ma kuhuthira. Oho ni moritio kwaga kurima hakuhi na ihumo ici ni ritana rikitio ni murugamiriri wa NEMA wa kaunti ya Stephen Kilonzo.
Wazingatie sheria. Sheria inasema ya kwamba usilime 30 meters from the highest watermark. Yaani wetland ipatiwe riparian reserve. Na riparian reserve ni kumaanisha ya kwamba unaweza kuweka miti ya kienyeji and the rest of the vegetation ambayo sio exotic, lakini iwe preserved, sio mahali ya kulima. Kwa hivyo tunaambia wakulima wenzetu waendelee na kupreserve riparian land vile tunaona upande hii imekuwa preserved.
Hii maji ambayo iko hapa inaenda mpaka Victoria. Kwa hivyo wakati unatumia haya maji unafaa kujua kuwa maji safi ili akifika kule Nyanza, watu wa Nyanza pia wanapata maji nzuri. Kwa hivyo ningeomba wananchi wa Kaptalamwa muhifadhi hii eneo ya chemichemi. Msipohifadhi eneo ya chemichemi, mtaharibu miti ya kiasili, mtaharibu makao ya wanyama, na pia itaitilafiana na vile ambavyo wananchi hapa Kenya wanapata maji.
Mambo ya agrochemicals yametajwa, na tumeona mahali ambapo this wetland iko ni mahali pa chini na farming activities zinafanyika upande wa juu. Tunajua pia ni karibu na center, kwa hivyo kuna waste, solid waste, na pia kuna ile maji taka. So tunataka kuwasihi wananchi wote kwamba tuzingatie mambo ya usafi ili this wetland iweze kubaki kuwa safi na maji ambayo itatoka mahali hapa iweze kufikia wananchi ikiwa bado iko safi. Kwa njia hiyo tutapunguza wale ambao watakuja kwa hospitali.
Hatiri ndogera onakana kuruta rutatikire gaturumu hau mohage wono ciada tha imwe na tha ithatu getuka imwao tuma na Vivian Wagashi uria uma mutwathiriri na njira ya ciko ya na meraho ihiro ni ndathini cia Ngai.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwanga wa Neno FM, station ya radio ire kureha umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinya gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ nginya thaa 8 kanyitana na Wanjikũ wa Kinyanjui Kanyakado thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Ikinyeria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamawaithĩra KW mũgatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Na kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũnyitanĩra na Susan wa Ngoro Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Tomugate wiki ũgĩturia mũndũ muoyo ĩndĩ kiugo kiumĩro-inĩ ka Jehova nĩgĩtũragia mũndũ yo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
o muthenya wa Friday thatu cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kumaka wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira ya neno la uzima.
Kuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa.
Ugatarwo no ukahoerwo na ukamwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving